standing Amen. We are standing on holy ground where the seeds sown and we see the cloud with hands lifted and on bended knees. We are here, Lord, ready to receive. So let it rain, let it rain, oh Jesus, let it rain, let it rain, oh, let it rain, let it rain. We are open, let it rain. We are standing on holy ground where the seeds sown and we see the cloud. With hands lifted, don't bend the knees. Yeah. We are here, Lord, ready to receive. So we cry out, let it rain. Come on, come on. We want you upon us. We want you upon us. Just like you did in the days of Elijah. Just like you did in the days of Elijah. Once you open up the heavens, we are open. Let it rain. We've seen you set the captives free. We've seen hearts be revived. We've seen you heal diseases and bring dead things back to life. And you're just getting started, God. We know that there is more. We cry out, let it pour. And we've seen you open wombs and cause our seeds to multiply. We've seen you bring lost daughters home and lost sons to the light. And you're just getting started, God. We know that there is more, so we cry out. What do we cry? Say we sing you. The house is green. We sing you heal diseases. With your just getting so we cry out, let it pour. Say we sing you all, we sing you bring us illness home. With your just getting we cry out, let it oh Jesus, we want you to let it rain. Want you to pour out all your spirit. Want you to pour out. Yes.
Man. Yeah.